Whether you are learning English for the first time or you've been speaking it your whole life, there's always that list of words that just don't make sense when it comes to spelling them. Today, we're going over 10 of the hardest words to spell in the English language. And if you're looking to sharpen your language skills further, don't forget to check out Lingoda. We offer fantastic resources for learning new languages. You can find the link to our website in the video description, and you'll also be able to find a link to the blog post that this video is based off if you want to follow along with the written post. Now let's get started. Our first word is nauseous, meaning you feel like you're going to vomit. This word is tricky because it looks like it might be pronounced naw-she-us, but it's actually nauseous. If you ever felt queasy on a boat, you might say, "I can't go on sailboats. The swaying up and down makes me feel nauseous." Next up, we have dilate. It means to become wider or larger. Though it might sound like it has 3 syllables, it's correctly pronounced dilate. Remember, no extra A. For example, your pupils dilate to let in more light in the dark. Number 3 is fuchsia. Ever had trouble with the word fuchsia? This vibrant red-purple color is a spelling nightmare for many. It's pronounced fuchsia, not fuchsia, as it may look. For example, you'll see me in a bright fuchsia dress outside of the coffee shop. Moving on, we have minuscule, meaning very small. It's tempting to say it with mini because of its association with miniature, but remember, it's spelled with a U. You might use this word to say, even saving a minuscule amount of money can add up. If you're finding these words intriguing and want to dive deeper into language learning, Lingoda is the place for you. Click the link in our description to explore our language courses. Now, back to our list. 5 is ingenious. Ingenious means extremely clever, but don't confuse it with genius. They surprisingly don't share the same roots. An example of this word could be using pancakes as sandwich bread, ingenious. 6 is sacrilegious. The word sacrilegious means disrespectful towards something sacred. It often trips people up because they want to include religious in the spelling. Remember, it comes from sacrilege. For example, not liking maple syrup in Canada, that's sacrilegious. 7 is orangutan. Orangutan, which is a large ape, might seem like it's missing a G at the end, but that's just it. Surprisingly, there's no G. Fun fact, did you know that orangutans spend most of their lives in trees? Then we have paraphernalia, meaning objects needed for a particular activity. This word is often mispronounced, which leads to spelling errors. To use it in a sentence, one might say, "My workout paraphernalia is all over my car's trunk." 9 is epitome. Epitome means the best example of something. It can be confusing if you've only ever heard it. Despite the E sound, it doesn't end with a Y. An example of this word is "my ex is the epitome of selfishness." Lastly, we have slough. Can either mean to shed something or a swampy area, with its pronunciation changing based on the meaning. So it's spelled the same, but the pronunciation can either be slough or slew. Talk about confusing. And check this out, the spelling, O-U-G-H, can be pronounced 8 different ways in English. Aw as in bought, ow as in drought breaks, and the UK spelling of plow, P-L-O-U-G-H. In the US spelling, it's P-L-O-W. O as in dough, oo as in through, as in thorough, and burrow. U plus F as in rough, O plus F as in cough, and U plus P as in hiccup. And there you have it, 10 of the hardest words to spell in English. Did any surprise you? And if you're interested in mastering these words and more, Lingoda can help. Our language courses are designed to tackle such challenges head-on. You can find out more about us via the link in the description. We offer all new users a free trial, which you can find out more about on our website. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.